Hey you guys, this is my grocery haul for the week. We are actually on vacation, and so we stopped by Trader Joe's, which is my favorite ever. And we've rented an Airbnb in San Diego. So awesome. And so we got a bunch of snacks, some breakfast stuff, and some awesome Trader Joe's goodies for the week. I'm so excited. So I'm going to show you guys everything. Please excuse all this. We've been traveling all day, and we went to the store and I took the boys in. And you guys know I do not like to grocery shop with my kids because they are insane and they threw some stuff in, and I'm pretty sure we got some things that they threw into the cart. Anyhow, I'm going to show you guys everything we got, and this is all our vacation food for the week to have at our little Airbnb. All right, you guys, here's some of the groceries. I got a few on the other counter, but I love Trader Joe's so much. So we just got all kinds of things that we need. So for breakfast, we got some oatmeal and eggs. With my eggs, I love avocado and cheese, some snacks, carrots, cheese, yogurts, salami and cheese, bananas, and some really good Trader Joe's awesome things. This stuff, you guys, I could not go to Trader Joe's without getting these chocolate croissants. I had them years ago, and oh my gosh, they're so amazing. So good, you guys. If you ever go to Trader Joe's, you definitely have to get these. Okay, so a little bit of a story behind this Cocoa Bon wine. My bestie from ever, my maid of honor, my best friend in the universe, she turned me on to this Cocoa Bon wine. It is so cheap, you guys, and it is really, really delicious. And it's really hard to find. Trader Joe's always has it, and Winco Foods gets it also. But I was so excited to get it at Trader Joe's, you guys. $6.99. This is a red blend, and then this is another red blend, but it's like a little bit different, a States blend. They're both $6.99. So crazy cheap. And I will be thinking of my girlfriend Rachel when I drink these. I'll have to send her a little text that I got some of this stuff. Anyhow, rest of our groceries. Corn dogs, because you guys all know my kids are obsessed with corn dogs. Chicken nuggets, because we're on vacation. And, well, these definitely because we're on vacation too, the chocolate croissants. Guacamole. Trader Joe's has all the best dips you can ever find. Some tortilla chips for the guacamole. We were walking through the store and my husband's like, oh my gosh, do you remember these? We used to get these years ago when we lived closer to Trader Joe's. These chicken chili verde burritos are amazing. Let's see what's under here. Let me move some of this stuff. We have just some regular chicken. It is grilled white meat chicken strips. All you got to do is either heat it or have it cold too. Got a couple salads, so we can just dice that up for snacks and put on salads. We're going to do a couple dinners here at the house. This, you guys, I'm pretty sure somebody threw this in without me knowing. Dark chocolate bar with almonds, which I'm okay with that. I definitely like that. And 3 of them. This is going to be really good. All right, I love Trader Joe's has so many of these awesome like meals that you just basically heat up. And since we're on vacation, we wanted a few of these because we're going to be eating out a ton. So we wanted some dinners and stuff that we can have here at the house. So this is blackened chicken breast fettuccine Alfredo. Looks awesome and so easy. Heat and serve. Love it, you guys. And breakfast burritos, yum, chicken sausage breakfast burrito with scrambled eggs, cheddar cheese, and potatoes. Delicious. We got a second breakfast burrito, carnitas with salsa verde. And then this grilled chicken fajita. So it has all of the peppers and veggies and everything. So I got corn tortillas to go with those. And then we have some shredded cheese in here somewhere. Not really sure where it is. A couple bagged salads to go with the dinners. And oh my God, as we were walking through, my husband's like, oh my gosh, I used to always get this vanilla almond cereal back in the day. So I had to get one of those. Some crackers, some edamame because we love it. Banana chips. Trader Joe's seriously has the best snacks, you guys. I had to get a pack of seaweed because you guys know my kids love seaweed and we're on vacation. So all of their favorite snacks are a must. Avocados, everything else showed you guys. I'm going to take you over a couple more things over on this side. Just the milk And then we got a little treat, some French vanilla ice cream, apples, because my kids have to have apples like every second of the day. Watermelon, that's a super big treat for them also. And then some more Trader Joe's snacks. Honey wheat pretzel sticks. They are so delicious, you guys. Seriously, so good. And baked Cheetos. Those are so good too. My kids love crackers and chips and snacks. So those are awesome. All right, you guys, this was my haul from Trader Joe's. This is gonna last us a couple days here on vacation at this vacation house that we got. So we're super excited and stocked up with all of our favorites and some little vacation goodies to have also. So thanks so much for stopping by my video. Make sure you click subscribe, tons of grocery hauls, and just hope you guys all have a really great day. Put a like on this video, leave me a comment if you have any questions. Hope they have a really great day, and I'll see you guys all next time. All right, bye-bye.